haven't talked yet at all in this movie, so you could be an
Go get that. No.
It's like, why is it a fucking cat parking on a rainbow? I'm just filming everybody walking.
Same here. Yo, I told Jordan that we're gonna collab Steven's stuff, your stuff, and my stuff all together.
For what?
To make like a behind-the-scenes video or some shit like that.
Okay. Check out the gallon of blood, guys.
The what?
Gallon of blood. We're using a bunch of blood.
Look at that gallon of blood. Look at that.
And this is the sports mom over here.
Warner.
Sports bag.
He's wearing the beret. Hey Jordy, you look good with the beret hat. You look good with the beret hat. And the black man looks good with the black sweatshirt.
Why did? Okay. Bud pirate. Bud pirate.
Then I fuck your wife.
And I fuck the dog.
No! That's just plain nasty. That really is. I love my Nazis.
There are families here.
What's that?
Hey, look what I found. A rock.
You know that guy that made Borat? He's coming out with that. He's coming out with
Yeah,
that
like
new
the
movie.
dictator.
Wait, what movie is it?
Dictator.
The Dictator.
I want to see that.
The
That looks funny.
dictator.
WTF.
It's funny when you like.
WTF.
It's like funny when you split up the word dictator. It's like dictator. Okay. Okay. Can we have anything that we can release about any future projects? Jordan.
Are you filming this right now?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you gotta get the full image. Okay. I can't really say, but what I can say is we're gonna release something maybe scary or a thriller next time, and I might be working on a few documentaries.
Something strange.